some more? Oh. Did it get you?
Yeah. Again.
Oh.
Again.
Okay. Again?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Pop. Where did it pop?
Bob.
Where?
Enjoy.
On the table. You want some toys?
Yeah.
I don't think they're down there. You mean the Wonder Pets?
Yeah.
All right.
Rabbit.
Wonder Pets. All right, sit down in your chair. Sit in your bottom.
And baby no.
What?
Baby no.
Paper no? Are you all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Enjoy.
And the sticker. Okay. Thanks. All right, hold on.
Rabbit.
Wonder Pets. Do you want the slide for them too? Slide?
Yeah.
And the boat.
Good.
That's right. All right, we're going to do our work in our book and then we'll get the Wonder Pets, okay? And hold on. Here we go. Oh, did I get your foot? You okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Here's a boy.
Boy.
Here's a girl.
Go.
All right. Show me her.
Oh
Oops.
no.
It's okay. It's just water.
I need water. I
It's okay. Here we
need
go.
water.
Do you want to wipe the chair?
Yeah.
You got it. Oh, thanks.
All done.
Okay, thank you. Behind the back. All right, that's a boy
Yeah.
and that's a girl.
Good.
All right, show me his shoes.
And these.
All right, listen. Show me his
And
shoes.
these.
You what?
And these.
What was that?
These.
Oh, cheese.
Cheese.
Okay.
Cheese. All right,
Okay.
look, Matthew.
Ya está la picture. Okay, ya está la picture, ya está.
Attack.
A ver.
Okay, look. Okay, show me his shoes.
Is. Do.
All right, there.
Do.
All right, look up here. Now show me her shoes.
Also.
Where are her shoes?
And.
There they are. Right.
No.
That's okay. Look, here's a boy.
Boy.
Here's a girl. Show me her hat. Good. Show me his hat. Okay. That's so hard for him. Well, almost. This is a girl, and that's a boy.
Boy.
Show me her jacket.